Understanding quick judgment in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, quick judgment. Understanding this phrase is crucial for English learners as it's commonly used in everyday conversations and various forms of media. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. Quick judgment refers to the act of forming an opinion or decision rapidly without taking sufficient time to consider all aspects or evidence. It's often associated with hasty conclusions based on limited information. This phrase can have both positive and negative connotations depending on the context. Let's look at some examples to understand this phrase better. 1. Positive connotation. In emergency situations, a doctor making a quick judgment can save lives. 2. Negative connotation. Judging someone's character without knowing them well is an example of quick judgment. Understanding the context is key to interpreting the phrase correctly. To expand your vocabulary, here are some synonyms and related phrases. Snap decision. Making a choice quickly without much deliberation. Jumping to conclusions. Forming an opinion without all the necessary information. Rash decision. A decision made hastily, often without careful consideration. These phrases can be used interchangeably with quick judgment in various contexts. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase quick judgment and its uses in English. Remember, language is all about context, and being aware of the nuances can significantly improve your communication skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.